Welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 22nd of July with me, Rich, Pro-Market Analyst at Antec Markets. Moving on to dollar yen now, and very interesting move that we saw yesterday on dollar yen because there was a key one-day reversal, a bearish key one-day reversal that came at this resistance. 124.43 was that those two highs from late June, providing the resistance just slightly above that 23.6% fib level, and we saw yesterday's high at 124.48, so a new high, but then closing below the previous day's low. So that formed a bearish key one-day reversal. Now, I'm still a little bit reticent about this move because the previous day's trading range was so small. It was only about 40, I think it's 42 pips in total. So it wasn't actually it wasn't a massive move and a big reversal of sentiment. I mean, yes, there has been a turnaround and that has been a continued. Let me just reset that, sorry. And it's been a continuation of downside moves today. But to be honest, the selling pressure hasn't been massive. It's only 10 pips down now on the day. And it's sort of found a bit of an intraday level at 123.54. But the fact that it's sort of come back and broken the first sort of first real key near-term support 23.90, I suppose, is a negative corrective move, and the momentum indicators have sort of lost their bullish configuration. Moving averages rolling over near term, but I still think it's going to just be a bit of a near-term move that ultimately will be bought into. I'm still looking at the 38.2% fib level, 23.20. If I show you on the intraday chart, you'll see how important that has been as a pivot level on this chart. 23.20 there, providing support, resistance, and then subsequently support again recently. So support through there and through the 13th, 14th, 15th of July. Yes, a slight dip below, but generally speaking, that has been supportive. So I think it could well come back towards that 38.2% fib level. But at that stage, I would expect that to be a buying opportunity if it did get there. Already we're seeing the momentum indicators on the hourly chart start to sort of turn around slightly. If you saw the dollar yen moving above the reaction high that we've got here at 24 figure area, I think that would probably suggest that you're going to see the buying pressure coming through again. But at the moment we're still in this slightly corrective phase, and as I said, you may well see a dip back towards 23.20, but at that sort of level, I would expect that to start to be seen as a chance to buy. I think this bear key reversal that we've got is going to be a near-term phenomena. I don't think it's going to be the turning point that sees dollar yen back towards these lows that we saw back in early July. I don't think that's going to happen. My personal view is that I think it's going to sort of form support and then bounce higher and then push towards that sort of multi-year high, 25.85 again. But just for the very near term, a slightly corrective outlook on dollar yen. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.